All right, guys, just finished cooking my chicken, and let me show you the inside of this. See all of that delicious stuff from the chicken that's just stuck on the inside of the inner pot. That's called fond, and that is basically just extra bonus flavor for us. So if you can do pot-in-pot cooking like this, it really helps you develop flavors easily. That's what I love. And did I mention, you guys, everything's being cooked in this inner pot, so there's way less dishes to wash at the end. So I'm gonna put a plug in here for our flexible cutting mats. I love these so much because now that I had my onions and celery prepped on them, I don't have to worry about spilling them all over the place. I can just pick it up, dump it right inside here, which is awesome. And of course, I'm gonna dump in, this is one of my favorite tips to share. If you use a lot of onions or peppers in your daily meals, prep a bunch at one time and store them in your fridge. This is our 3-cup glass container, and we put onions and jalapenos and everything. So prep a bunch at one time and store them in the fridge. It's so much faster for the next time you need to use them. So I'm gonna start assembling the rest of my soup. Everything else is gonna go inside. This is just on the sear setting right now. I'm sure you guys can hear it. I'll give you another peek. And I'm backwards on my phone. But it's so easy to do, and I love that it all comes together. And again, no having to watch for boil overs on my stove. So if you guys have any more questions on the quick cooker, don't be afraid to ask.